If you want to make money on Amazon KDP, here's a niche giveaway, another niche giveaway. I'm going to start doing this more often, giving away niches on Amazon KDP in the coloring book market. Okay, so check this out. Blow that up for you. Cryptid coloring book. Okay, really cool stuff. You scroll down here, you see very, very few results. Look at that. And you have a plethora of money being made here. Okay, all of these books. Of course, I have it at bestseller here. Let me blow that up, bestseller. And we got all kinds of books here that have really cool BSRs, bestsellers ranked. That means people are buying them, right? And I really like this kawaii one, kawaii cryptid. I'm already in the kawaii market. That's why you see me in a lot of my videos lean towards kawaii. It just has so many outlets. There's kawaii werewolves, kawaii clowns. There's kawaii everything, right? Kawaii just means cute in Japanese, but you can do it in any style you want. You got some in some pop art style. You got some. This is more pop art. You got some in all kinds of art styles. Anyways, let me show you how to earn on Amazon KDP. Of course, I had a order put into Nurie Creator to create these types of kawaii style cryptids. I got an email. I click on the link and it sends me Nurie Creator with all my images done. Okay. So for each prop, I get 4 different images. Why? Because, the AI will make mistakes at times. So your job is to just um, choose the images that you want for your coloring book, right? Keep the best and leave the rest, right? Kind of idea, right? So here we got some images, really cool stuff. Look at this one, kawaii cryptid. Here's a little creature in his mouth, really cool stuff. There's a really cool one here. Okay, all of them in the kawaii style. Okay, and then let's go into some other ones here. Let's go to this image section here. Okay, we got something of a like a plesiosaur going on here, like a Loch Ness kind of thing going on. We got Bigfoot, I think, but all cute and dolled up. Okay, good stuff. I think we have a Yeti here. This would be more like a Yeti. Okay, nice stuff. Okay. Once I choose the images I want, let's say I'm going to create a book for about, I don't know, let's say I'm going to create a book for, let's say, I don't know, 80 pages. So 40 coloring book pages and 40 blank pages. You always want to have blank pages. After you do that, what you want to do is you want to go to the book cover creator. Why? Because you need a nice book cover to match your interior, right? So these days I usually stick to the trim size of 8.5 by 8.5. Let me get there right now. 8.5 by 11 is also a good trim size. Okay. Let's make this 80, page count of 80. Okay. And what I want to do now is go to here and put in cryptid, cryptid, kawaii cryptid, put kawaii cryptid. And let's put the same thing here. Did I spell cryptid right? I think so. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, really good. Okay. I'm going to take that, copy that, put that in here, put that like that, and could generate front cover. It's going to create a front cover for me. Okay. Now everything's digital, right? With Amazon KDP, what you're doing basically is creating a PDF, digital PDF, and you're going to upload it to Amazon KDP. And Amazon KDP, when someone buys it off the site, they ship it out. You just collect the royalty. That's all you do. And here we go. Very good, very easy. Let me finish it off here with let's put in coloring book like that. Again, if you want to access this tool, by all means, down below. If you have any questions, let me know down below. This is, again, a really powerful tool. It creates everything for you really fast, really quick, with no strings attached. Good stuff. Be good. Take care. Again, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below.